My name is Carl. I'm a Jamaican extortionist Dan. Now I'm taking out my clocks to put on because the clocks gives me power. I'm about to step out in the streets because the road have to take on.
Clean out the closet, the clocks, them love it. From me tell you about desert clocks, every quick I get fingers. Straight quality bank cover on them finger. Y'all see me on the bar, say the king there. Think to wanna see that.
This is Homeboy. He works for me. Right now I'm about to page him because he owes me money from yesterday.
Yo, CJ, what about me, General?
I run still.
Boy, CJ, so I don't from man and nothing now go on, you know.
What do you mean nothing now go on?
So that me I tell him you mother from man and nothing now go on, CJ.
Brother, let's make sure we get 50, you hear that?
I want to pay CJ no man no money in my yard.
What do you mean no money?
CJ, so you have water for my yard, we are gym.
No money, brother.
So we are gym stuff for that, so
It's comfy thing.
might you know the thing going on there. I want to pay my yard.
Yo, don't be comfy thing, brother. Serious thing.
Now your breath smell so you would.
What? What do you mean from bread that? Furthermore, this one too, you know.
We are gym stuff for my way feel like you.
I'll get you.
Hey, take off from me, I want to pay you. What do you feel like? What do you want me to do? What you have to do about it?
Wait a minute.
Right, a box really box my youth. Right, box are locked to in a dog. Right, a box mine.
John was star. Never unbox him now. But wait, him deserve it. I'm this me. But then again, I could have killed him, but I just box him. But I just said thing like that. Free.
Where are ya?
Box him. Dad. Him deserve it. But yeah, free. Him deserve it. Class star. Much short this. Class. Man ask me from a Clarks that the blow. What you mean from a Clarks, brother? This from a Clarks, you step man my youth.
Never know.
Man ask me from brother, I'm a brother, you step from a Clarks.
Brother,
England. Elizabeth. Give me this. I'm a hand. You step from a Clarks. Brother. Brother, know him just
No star. I never know somebody I step on the man Clarks when I punch him, you know. Life just shake up, yo. Look how the man asked me for the $50 I could and just give me, yo, and avoid all of this.
Yeah man, big up KyngTaj for the YouTube channel. You don't know all of my Twangaroo, them go subscribe because that's the right thing for do.